Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. All the students of class 9 English version are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Today I'd like to submit a creative question, and this is the consecutiveness of last couple of classes. Today we are going to observe two friends and their character on the way to to their journey. Whenever we people make a journey from one place to another, sometimes we face different problems, sometimes we see different problems, and sometimes we solve different problems on the way. So this sort of situation actually keeps similarity with the STEM today, or the STEM keeps similarity with those events, whichever happens in our daily life or day-to-day life. So boys, or the students of class 9, I'd like to suggest you and request you, please take your copies and write down the question and try to solve it. Please solve it. Actually, if you solve this question, you will be skilled, no doubt, and your quality will be grown up. As per you are going to be the students of class 10 very soon, so you need to practice this sort of question repeatedly, and you need to solve this. And in this regard, I can help you, obviously. If you cannot, trust out the knowledge anyway after reading, even after reading 3 times, then please inform me and I will help you in this regard. You can make a comment in my comment box, or you may ask many questions, whatever you need, also in my comment box. So boys, my dear students, let's get started today. Karim was going to Manikganj. Actually, Karim is an imaginative name. Manikganj is a place or name of a place. It's a district of one of the districts of Dhaka division. So Karim was going to Manikganj from Dhaka. On the bus, he noticed that a woman did not get any seat. However, he noticed that a woman did not get any seat, and she was standing, which was very hard for her on a running bus. Actually, she was standing, and the bus was running in a high speed. So it was too hard for her to keep the balance. It was very hard situation. Anyway, Karim quitted his seat, his own seat. Karim quitted his own seat for her and offered her to sit there. I mean, Karim noticed the fact, and she felt actually kind and pity. That's why he offered his own seat, and actually it was his great manner or behavior whichever he has learned from Islam and from his family. Anyway, by this the woman was very happy. By this character, the woman was very happy and prayed for him, prayed for Karim. On the other hand, Karim's friend provided his own seat to an old man who was from other religion. Karim's friend provided his own seat to an old man who was from other religion. This was all about the STEM boys. Now let's go to 4 questions. Number A, patriotism is the product of faith. Write in Arabic. Patriotism is the product of faith. Write in Arabic. Number B, how can we be patriot? Describe. How can we be patriot? Describe, or describe the method of being patriot, or task. Describe the task or the activities through which we can be patriot. Number C, which topic of your text has been bloomed in Karim's manner? Which topic of your text has been bloomed in Karim's manner? Describe. Number D, although both of their activities are assuming same, but there is a basic difference. There is a basic difference between them. Evaluate the statement according to Islamic parlance. I'd like to repeat the D number question once again. Although both of their activities are assuming same, but there is a basic difference between them, between their activities, basic difference. So what is the basic difference, and if it is correct? Anyway, evaluate the statement. You have to evaluate, or you have to justify the statement according to Islamic parlance. So boys, please be attentive and be serious, be prompted on your study, and be a good student, be a confident student for future time. Thanks a lot for joining my class and listening to me. Thank you very much.